This nail salon lost its AC. The rooftop blower motor burned out. The old one was cooked, so I set in a matching replacement. Spun it up first. Good, it's turning the right way. On these, rotation isn't set by the wiring. The diagram differs for 115 or 230 volts, but direction flips on separate contacts. Then the real snag showed up, the drive pulley. The old motor's shaft was 7/8 of an inch, the new one, 5/8. The old pulley wouldn't fit, so it was a run to the supply house. Grabbed the right sheave and a fresh belt to match. Pulley set belt on and it's spinning true. Buttoned up and cooling again. The salon's back in business.